students. So today we are going to start your remaining part of exercise 1A. So from 1 to 6 is finished. Next, question number 7. Let's start. Question 7 stands fill in the blanks. 7I. First question, -6 into dash equal to 6. Clear it is? So have a look on this question. I am multiplying -6 by any number, one number, and I am getting 6. So this is one kind of properties. Existence of multiplicative identity are followed. Which one? Existence of multiplicative identity. Existence of multiplicative identity rules are followed. I am getting 6. I am getting 6 by any number multiplying with -6. So this will be 1. And look here, my sign has changed. Here minus, here plus. So there will be opposite sign. Here minus and here plus. It is possible when this will be a -1. This is existence of multiplicative identity are followed. Next is question 2. Question 2 stands -18. -18 is multiplied by any number and getting minus same number -18. Same case is also multiplicative of identity are followed. But here -8 multiplied by a number and getting same particular number. When it is possible? When it is a 1. Both the identity, but here is a minus and here is a plus. Here -1, here +1. Both are following existence of multiplicative identity. Next is a question number, it is 3. Question number 3 stands -8 and -9, and we are getting -9 into dash. Have a look on this question. This is same number, the places has changed. Here -8, but here will be a -8 because this is which law are followed? Here commutative law of multiplications are followed. Which is commutative law. So from commutative law we can solve this way. Next 4 is 7 into -3 and -3 into dash. This is also same sum which is followed a commutative law. So here -3, it also -3. So here 7, so here will be a 7. Clear? Next is your question number 5. 7, 5. Question stands -3 -5 -5 into 3 and multiplying into -6. So we are getting a number which is minus we are getting dash into 3 into -6. You just observe this math. -5 into 3 and into -6, and this is dash into -3 into 6. Clear? In associative law, you can see that A into B into C, and also A into B plus C, B into C, according to the which law? Associative law. According to associative law. This is A, this is A. The B is a B. The C is C. So compare it is B, it is B. This C, this is C. So this is A, so this will be A. And here A means -5. So this will be -5. Clear? So this sum are following associative law. Next is here question number 6. Next is here question number 6. -5 into dash, and we are getting 0. Clear? Any number multiplying with a number getting 0 means this is a property of 0 or 5. The number are multiplying by any number on unknown number, a number and multiplying a unknown number and result in getting 0. When is possible? When this will be 0. 0, any number multiply by 0, we are getting 0. Also, this is following property of 0. Clear? Question number 8 is stands. In a class test containing 10 questions. How many questions? There are 10 questions. 5 marks awarded for each marks. Each marks are 5 marks. Each question has awarded as 5 marks. And every incorrect answer marks awarded -2. And 0 for each question if not attempt. This is your statement. 10 marks total. How many questions? 10 questions. Each question having 5 marks, and for incorrect answer marks are deducted -2. This is statement. Next, the question is that Ravi gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. What is his score? 4 correct means how many marks? Each marks having 5 marks, so we are getting 20 marks. For incorrect marks, the marks has deducted how many? Each marks deducted for rate is -2. How many questions are incorrect answer? There are 6 incorrect answer. So this will be -12. So what are the scores? So this number also add this number. So this is a 8. His total score is 8. Clear? It can be written as a this way also. Which one? 4 into 5 each marks. For correct answer is 5, and minus marks will be given because this is my subtraction for each question. How many questions? 6 are incorrect. So this is 20 minus 12, that is 8. Clear? In another sense, we can do in another process also. Next is a 2. 5 correct marks and Renu gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect marks. Renu gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answer. What is her score? For correct answer is 5. Each mark having 5 and 5 incorrect. For each marks and negative mark as be minus 2. Minus will be here. So this is 25 minus 10, that is 15. Next is question number 3. Here minus 2 means deduction. That's why we are getting subtraction. Hena gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer. What is her score? 2 correct means 2 into 5 and 5 incorrect means 5 into 2. So this is a deduction. So 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Clear? Next is question number 9. In question 9, which of the following statements are true and which are false? You can do this sum or this sum in another way. You can express this one. How many questions? 10 questions you are having. This 5 into 5 plus 5 into minus 2. Clear? This is 5 questions and 5 incorrect. How many? This is 5 questions. So also 5. In total 10 questions. So we can get, we can express this sum according to this way also. Clear? Next, so according to which one? 2 is correct. That's one is having 5 marks plus 5 incorrect marks. 5 incorrect marks means each marks having minus 2. So 2 have 2 questions. Have 2 questions. How many? 7. Remaining 10 minus 7. 3 questions awarded as a 0. You can express this math in this way also. So this is 10. This is 10. This is 3 into 0, 0. So this we are getting 0 plus 0 equal to 0. You can express this way also. So question next is true and false. 9i. Question is product of a positive and negative integer is a negative integer. Just to take an example, 3 is a positive integer, plus 3 is a positive integer, and minus 2 is a negative integer. If you are multiplying it, what is? This is a plus and minus minus 3 to 6, 6. So we are getting negative integer. So question number 1 is a true. Next question number 3. The product of two negative integers are a negative integer. So I'm taking an example. Minus 3 is a negative integer. Minus 2 is also a negative integer. We are multiplying. The product means we are multiplying. So minus and minus is a plus. 3 into 6. So we are getting positive integer, not negative integer. So this is a false. This is a false. Next here, question number 3. The product of 3 negative integers is a negative integer. Again I am taking an example. One integer is a 3 negative integer, and as a 5 minus 5 also negative integer. There are 3 negative integers. We are multiplying simultaneously. Clear? Minus and minus is a plus. 3 to 6 and minus 5. Plus and minus is a minus. 5 is 30. So we are getting minus 30. That means negative number. So question number 3 is a true. Question number 3 is a true. Next, question number 9(4). 9(4) means here every integer when multiplying with a minus 1 gives a multiplicative inverse. Clear? Every integer with a multiplied with a minus 1 gives its multiplicative inverse. So this is a integer number plus 3. I am multiplying by minus 1. We are getting minus 3. So minus 3 is not a inverse of plus 3. So this is false. Again I am taking, this is a positive integer. I am taking a negative integer. Minus 2 also negative integer, and this is also multiplied by 1. This is plus 2. This is also not a inverse of that particular number. So this is false. Next is a question number 5. In question number 5, multiplication of an integer is commutative. So this is no obviously question number 5 is a true, because multiplication of integer is a commutative. So 2 into 3 and 2 into 3 also will equal. So multiplication of integer is a commutative, because this is level 6, this is also 6. Both are equal, so commutative law are followed. Clear? Next is a multiplication on integer is associative. So this is also properties of multiplications. So 9vi. Multiplication on integers is a associative. And associative law are followed: a into b into c equal to a into b plus b into c. This is the associative law. Thus I am taking 2 into 3 into 4. Also equal will be given into 3 into 4. How it is? This is 3 into 6, 24. This is also 24. So this is also a true, because associative law are following. This is a question number 9(7). Every non-zero integer has a multiplicative inverse as an integer. Non-zero means the number not equal to 0. Maybe minus 3, maybe plus 4, or minus 3, or plus 3, or minus 5, or plus 5. All those are non-zero integer. Each having inverse. Minus is inverse is minus 1 by minus 3, plus 4 inverse is 1 by 4, plus 3 inverse is 1 by plus 3, minus 5 inverse is minus 1 by 5, plus 5 its inverse is 1 by plus 5. All inverse may be rational or may be fractional. So these are not an integer. They are not integer. These are a fraction or rational number. So this is a false.